Good morning, wonderful writers. It's Mrs. Opfer, and I'm so excited to work with you on our next opinion piece for writing workshop. Our topic today is all about, you guessed it, apples and the best way to eat them. Here are some choices. I wonder if eating apple slices are the best way to eat an apple. Maybe applesauce is the best way to eat apples. Oh, I don't know. Apple pie might just be the very best way to eat apples. Maybe apple cider, apple juice, or another choice is the best way to eat apples. I can't wait to hear all about your opinion.
All right, wonderful writers. Now that we've learned all about how to state an opinion, let's share our opinions or our personal ideas about the best way to eat an apple. Let's read our question together. What is the best way to eat an apple? Ooh. Okay, we have a lot of good choices. Ready? Oh, it's gonna be so hard to choose. Maybe the best way to eat an apple is sliced. Nice and simple. Maybe that is your opinion. Maybe the best way is to eat it as applesauce. Oh, delish. Okay, maybe. We have more choices though, which is great. I do love choices. Maybe the best way to eat an apple is in an apple pie. Oh, yum. Maybe your opinion is that none of these are the best. That's okay. So maybe it's your opinion that the best way to eat an apple is a something else way. That means your own idea, not sliced, not applesauce, not in a pie, but something else. Writers, I want you to think about your opinion. What is the best way to eat an apple? You might need to pause the video and take some thinking time or talk about your opinions with your family. If you need to take some thinking time, do that now. Okay, writers, good thinking and good sharing. Remember, writers, that when we state our opinion, what is your opinion? First we think. Ooh, I'm thinking. Look at that thought bubble. Then we decide. Make a choice. Oh yeah. Then we explain. So that's our 3-step process for deciding on a favorite. We think, we decide, and we explain that's right, our opinion. I wanted to show you my idea. Here it is. Okay, what is the best way to eat an apple? So the first thing you do is think. Okay, I thought, then I'm going to decide. On your opinion writing paper today for writing workshop, you're going to color in your choice, your decision, your opinion. I chose applesauce. All right. If you chose something else, you could also draw a little mini picture there or quickly write your something else before you color that box in. So first you think, then you decide, color in the box that shows your opinion. Check, check. Nice. All right, then I'm going to explain. I'm going to explain with a picture and with words. Watch how I did that. I think the best way to eat an apple is applesauce because you don't need a spoon. Period at the end. I think that's a pretty good reason. So I drew like an applesauce pouch to show you don't need a spoon. Pretty cool. And then I drew a spoon and then I crossed it out. So I made my words and my pictures match. Pretty cool, right? I also used an important word. Let's read it together. Because. Oh, let's say it 5 times in a row. Ready? Because. Because. Good job, writers. Every time you write an opinion piece, during writing workshop, I want you to try to use a word like because. Because. You can ask your grown-up to write this word on an index card or on a Post-it for you. It's a very long word, but it will help you to explain your opinion. Next, I wanted to show you another opinion. And this opinion about the best way to eat an apple was written by a student I had a few years ago. So I want to show that to you now. Okay, here it is. Wow. Now, he didn't have time to color his picture yet, but that's okay. I really wanted to show you all of the good things he did as a writer. So what is the best way to eat an apple? And he chose sliced. So he added the little red skin there, sliced. He drew a picture. Oh my goodness. Here's an apple slice. Here he is. And he even added a speech bubble. What does that say? Yummy. Good job. And then here's how he explained his opinion. I like apple slices because they fit in my mouth. That's a really good reason. He shared his opinion and he used that really important word for opinion writing. Can you find it? Oh yeah, because. Writers, it's time for you to use all that you know to think, decide, and explain. I want you to share the best way to eat an apple. All right, get to writing. We'll see you soon. Bye.